Hey guys, welcome to Agent Workflow, where we teach you guys how to make a powerful AI agent in about 5 minutes with minimal coding and something that's gonna get you guys up going fast and create some very powerful tools out of it. So last time what we did was we connected Deepseek with N8N, and today what we're gonna do is we're gonna add memory, guys. Once we add memory, your agent is almost ready for prime time. So what is N8N? N8N is a powerful no-code tool that lets you automate business logic, home automation, anything where you can use these logic nodes and if statements. It's a very powerful way to program like a process, and it's really a good way for people who are learning how to code on to kind of understand how code is laid out and how to organize a program. So it's actually used in a lot of Fortune 500 companies, especially when you just want to get something done and you don't want to get software developers involved and create a whole scope of work, all that stuff. This lets anyone really get going, create a bunch of nodes, connect them up, test it, and you're ready to go. And but what really makes N8N one of the best tools to learn is it has this AI agent. It has this AI agent node. The AI agent node in N8N is very powerful, guys. It lets you, with minimal amount of coding, get an agent that's able to do a lot of this work. And there's a lot of hype around agents, so it'll be very good to be able to build this with the minimum amount of setting up and have learned the basics of it. So that's what I'm going to teach you guys. And why do I like Deepseek, guys? Because Deepseek is a frontier model. It only came out, I think, December, right before Christmas, and it was released by the guys from Tencent Lab. And Tencent, they run TikTok, so they're very smart, powerful. They know what they're doing, and why a lot of people are like DeepSeek is it's about, in my opinion, about 75 to 80% of the capabilities of ChatGPT and Claude, but it's only 2% of the price, guys. That's very powerful. Look at, if you guys see these charts that were put out by the benchmarkers, DeepSeek is the blue bar here, and it's right up there with the performance of Google's Gemini, ChatGPT from OpenAI, Anthropic's Claude, and Meta's Llama. So these are the best proprietary models, along with Llama, which is an open source one. But DeepSeek is right up there, and it's only 2% of the price, guys. So what that means is we can call DeepSeek 50 times before we are charged the same amount as calling Claude once. And what that allows us to do is open up a lot more business cases that normally wouldn't be possible now because it's so cheap. And what it also lets us do is we can re-prompt the answers using prompt engineering and chain of thoughts to get better answers and still be only a fraction of the cost of using ChatGPT or Claude. This makes it a very good set of stack to build around N8N and Deepseek, guys. That's why I'm really hyped to teach you guys how to add memory to this. So today what we're going to do is we're going to add short-term memory to our agent that we built from my last video. So if you guys don't know how we got here, just click my last video and skim through it. But I'll show you guys how I will add memory to what we already had. So if you guys remember, this is where we left off last time. So this is the basic AI agent, and we added it says it's actually Deepseek because we added a custom node, right, guys, and we directed it to the API call. If you guys remember, we changed the credentials to Deepseek, and we put our API key, and we added this api.deepseek.com. You can get that off their site, and once you put that in, and make sure to change the model to Deepseek-chat, guys. This is the best way to get Deepseek into the model in N8N and get it going. So last time where we left off was right here when we say is, so I say, hi, my name is Agent Workflow, and my channel is also Agent Workflow. So when I press enter, guys, you're gonna see the work going in. It's going in, calling the API at Deepseek, and it's giving us the response, right? So if you go to the bottom, you see the response. It says, hello, Agent Workflow, it's great to meet you, how can I assist you? Now if we ask, so now we ask, what is my name? It doesn't know, because every time it's calling in, it has no memory built in. So that's what we're gonna add today. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a simple memory tool, that so then we can have a more long-term conversation. So to do that, we just need to add memory. And then here, guys, we have a bunch of different memory options, and these are some of the more advanced ones, right? So you have your Postgres, you have your Redis, and you have other DBs you can add that store your memory for long term in a database. What we're gonna do is the easiest one, just to get going, and that uses your short-term memory in just your browser instance. It's not gonna save long, but it's gonna get us going, guys. So once we do this, when we do that, it's taking the session ID, which is the ID of the chat, and then it's keeping 5 lengths of the past as memory. We can change that to make it 50, we can make it longer, but I'm just leave it at 5, guys, just to show you guys. So we go back and look, guys, now we have memory. And now I'm going to take the same question, guys. I'm going to first tell it my name and my channel. Boom, it did the same thing, nothing's changed from before, guys. So now when I ask it, what is my name? Boom, guys. I always like to say dot points because, you know, sometimes it gets very verbose. Now, look, guys. When I ask it what's my name, it's telling me right there, guys. So, isn't that cool, guys? We just went from 0 to having an agent that we can chat with, and it's costing us a fraction of what we do if we built this in some of the other APIs, such as Claude or OpenAI. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to quickly show you guys this. So what we're gonna do in the next video, and please subscribe and like this video, and put on notifications if you guys want to build this with me, is the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a tool calling. And with tool calling, we'll be able to add something like read this list of contacts and email them, or we can have a tool such as email or read Twitter. We can have different capabilities that we can build into our agent, and that's when we're really going to have a specific agent. Right now it's just a conversational agent, but guys, right now you're better than 90% of people out there that want to get into this just by building this, and it only took you guys 5 minutes. So quickly, let me show you guys the final part, right? The final part, let's just add a little note so we can see some of the text. Guys, and don't be intimidated by this. It's very easy. Okay, let's go. Now, okay. Thank my viewers and wish them a good day. Boom. So, as you can see, we can do all this run, and then we get the oops. there you go, guys. Look, thank you so much to all my viewers. Wishing every one of you a fantastic day and stay awesome. So there you go, guys. We were be able to make our first agent. We have an input node, an output node. We are talking to Deepseek, and we have memory. So next video we'll be able to add a tool calling, and let me know what kind of tool you guys want to build, what kind of agent you want to build, and we will together build something very quickly and very powerful. Thanks again. Speak to you guys soon.